Hi guys, would you believe that this beautiful wig installation you are seeing here is being done on top of a long dreadlock? You heard me right, so let's watch the process together and see how this talented hairstylist was able to install a wig on top of this long and beautiful dreadlock. If today is your first time of coming across my video, you're welcome. Please do well to subscribe, share, follow, and leave a comment for me, and please do not forget to like this video, to give this video a thumbs up. Some hairstylists are just very creative and talented, because if it is not being creative and talented, tell me how she will come about installing a frontal on top of a long dreadlock, my dear. That is hard work, that is being talented, and that is being creative at the same time. So let's just watch it together. And if you're here to give this video a thumbs up, if you're here to subscribe to this channel, if you're here to follow this page, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, follow, and leave a comment for me, because I bring interesting videos on this channel. I bring videos about vlogs, hairstyle, and name it, just good videos. So leave a comment for me, tell me what you think about this beautiful wig installation on the comment section, and I'll gladly reply. My dear, I can't wait to see how this wig installation will turn out to. Wow, look at it, it came out very neat and beautiful. My dear, I love this beautiful installation. I like it. So follow, subscribe, and share this video. Bye.